department. I'm here to introduce to you our G41 sliding ceiling door. So in this case, I want to show you the door from this side, just using the handle, and I slide out. Here you can see our special double track. A double track, which means that we develop also a roller, a specific roller that allow the system to slide out, and not only slide, but also when the handle is turned down, the system, the sash is being compressed towards the frame. Here we also developed another part, very important plate, that is an anti-theft plate. So this makes the system very secure, improve the security of the system. I want to show you also that the plate, of course, is on the top and in the bottom, but this system has also 8 locking points around the sash. You can see the locking points that are here and down, and 2 more on top and 2 others on the bottom. Now I'm going to show you how the sliding ceiling works. Here you can see a gap of 7 millimeters between the sash and the frame. I'm with the handle turned upward. When I turn the handle downward, I'm going to compress the sash to the frame. When I turn the handle up, I'm going to decompress and compress the sash to slide and open the entire system. In this case here, we also brought a new element that is the mosquito sash. It's very simple, it's foldable, and it's made of 2 parts that we can close together through magnets. This is all the system. I just showed you one more time how good it is and how smooth it's a sliding. It's the perfect solution when you want good permeability and